just to give you an idea how strong the winds were on November 24th. This tree got blown over. It's got about a 2.5 foot, almost a meter wide trunk at the base, and then splits into like several sub branches. But basically unearthed. All the roots are unearthed. Those are roots, and several branches cracked. One tore off. One going this way. One group going this way. One group going this way on the fence. And pretty strong winds. These are all undermined by the gophers. Not gophers, tree squirrels. These are all undermined by the tree squirrels. And that's what the damage the tree squirrel could do. Yeah, that was like limbo down. Landed right on a chain link fence branch, pole, whatever you want to call it. Can't think of the word. Man. Yeah, there was some wind. I expect to see some more damage. That was a nice tree. It's going to be dead now. Drought. Undermined by drought winds. Undermined by ground squirrels. High winds. There you go.